Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're checking out this multi-tool. Let's go ahead and see what you get inside. So it comes in this nice carrying pouch. You can put it around your belt loop. So this looks like it would make a great gift. Ooh, that's nice and sleek. Check this out. Look how nice and sleek that is. Wow. Alright, so let's go ahead and see here. You open this up. Oh. You just keep pulling it open, and there's your pliers. So you got a pliers right there. So guys, they give you a flint fire starter right in there. So you can place that back inside. Let's see what else we get. So on that same side, it looks like there is a Phillips screwdriver head, which is in there pretty good. You're definitely gonna need strong nails to get that out. So there's the Phillips little screwdriver head. As you use it, it will loosen up and not be as hard to get stuff out. But to start, it is pretty tough pulling some of the stuff out. The knife is easy. So the knife actually has a little knob that you press, and it is a locking knife. So once it's up, it locks in place. Very sharp knife, as you guys can see, easily cut right through. So it is sharp right out of the box. The tip is very sharp out of the box. So to close it, you just press right underneath the knife. There's a little lever type thing. You press that to close the knife. And I mean, there's a ton of different tools in here. It's hard to access some of these other tools. There's a nail filer. You almost have to pull the knife out and other stuff out to get access to these other tools, because they are in there pretty hard. So I think that's the only disappointing thing of this is, yeah, to get all the other stuff out is pretty hard. But we're just gonna pull everything out and then look at everything. Yeah, it is a little tough. So each individual thing is a little tough to access. So once you get, I think the easiest is to get the knife out and the nail filer out, and then try and pull everything else out. You got a can opener. You have, it looks like, a rope cutter or seatbelt cutter, so pretty sharp there. So yeah, I think that's a rope cutter for cutting rope. And then you have a scissors. So scissors right here. So yeah, it's nice. Like I said, the only downfall is trying to pull some of the stuff out. Now, as you pull stuff out, it will get easier and easier to use. You're just gonna have to use it for a lot to loosen everything up. So it's gonna take a lot of using to loosen stuff up, but it is very nice looking, nice multi-tool. We're actually gonna be putting this in our bug out bag. Inside, they also give you different screwdriver ends. Basically, you got all these different flat heads and different ends to use with it as well. And that looks like that's it. There is a pocket that is in there for them, so you can just slide that down in and slide this back inside. Kind of have to push it in there a little bit, and once you do that, you're set. So it's a good survival item. You just need to use it. I mean, you gotta use it for a lot of times to get it loosened up. It's a little tighter than some of the other ones I've reviewed right out of the box, but most times, 8 out of 10 times as you use them, they get looser and are more easy to pull out. So